Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the Linksys EA7500 and set it on a stable surface. You need full power for a clean reset. Locate the recessed reset button at the back. Use a paperclip to reach it. Once done, keep your phone or laptop handy to reconnect. You will restore settings immediately after. I explain why. A hardware reset clears firmware states and returns credentials to factory defaults, which solves persistent connectivity or configuration corruption. Now press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Hold until the LEDs blink or the power light changes. This forces the NVRAM to clear. Release the button and make sure you wait 2 to 3 minutes for the full reboot. Interrupting now can corrupt firmware. Use an Ethernet cable for a stable connection when possible. Otherwise, join the default SSID displayed on the label. This step returns all passwords and settings to factory values, so you can reconfigure from a known baseline. Finally, reconnect and open the router setup page. Use the default credentials on the label, commonly admin for both fields, and run the quick setup to change the admin password and SSID. Make sure to save and apply changes. You should change the Wi-Fi key and enable WPA2 or WPA3 for security. If you see no network after reset, power cycle the modem then the router, try Ethernet, and check cables. This common fix restores upstream connectivity when the router.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.